Okay, good morning. Still morning, okay? We still have 8 minutes to be afternoon, okay? So again, everybody, good morning. Okay, so I'm just going to check your attendance, number 1. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Otto, where's Otto? 12. Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18? Yeah, finish. 18. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 28. Where's Nada? Okay. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 33. Cartoon. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. And 42. Okay. So we're good. We don't have any absent today. Okay. Shall we start? Are you ready? Let's start? Okay. We finished with chemistry, okay? So that is your unit 2. Here, we are now in your unit 3, which is human body, okay? So I'm going to discuss, or I'm going to talk about the different system in the body, okay? So let's start with circulatory system, or the cardiovascular system. Okay, again, what is our topic? That is circulatory system. Okay, so that is our topic, circulatory system. So again, we're going to talk about the different system in the body. Okay, I think we have 6. Okay, 6. We're going to talk about 6 systems. The first is circulatory. Second, respiratory. Third, excretory. Okay, and we have reproductive system. We have nervous system. Okay, so we're gonna talk about it. But the first is circulatory. Okay, circulatory system. Okay, we were focused on the center of circulatory system. Okay, what is in the center of circulatory system? That is our heart. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the heart and our blood. Okay, so how is our blood move or circulate in our body? Okay, so let's start. We have 3 tasks. We have vocab, discussion, and worksheet, okay? So let's do worksheet. By the end of this discussion, okay? First, we have vocab. Let's do vocabulary. Okay. Your first word. What is your first word? Okay, everybody, can you read what is the first word? Again, oxygenated. Oxygenated. Okay, that is oxygenated, in which it's a blood with oxygen. Okay, sorry. Blood with oxygen. Okay, so just remember, oxygenated blood is blood with oxygen. A blood plus oxygen is oxygenated blood. Okay, here. So it describes blood that is rich in oxygen, usually after it's been through the lungs. Okay, from the lungs, the blood gets oxygen. Okay, so that is oxygenated blood. Next, we have, what is this? Okay, very good. That is deoxygenated. Everybody, deoxygenated. Okay, very good. That's deoxygenated. It means low oxygen. Okay? So again, low oxygen that can be sent back to the lungs. Okay? Oxygenated is from the lungs. Okay? Going to the heart. Okay? And we have deoxygenated from the heart going back to the lungs. Okay? So that is deoxygenated. Again, what is number one? Oxygenated blood with oxygen. Second? Okay, deoxygenated low oxygen blood. Okay, blood with low oxygen. Okay? Next word we have, everybody, what is this? Chambers. Again, chambers. Okay, our heart, this one. Okay, this is our heart, or in the picture. Sorry. Our heart, or in the picture, we have 4 chambers. Okay? Here, 4 chambers. The hole here is the chambers. Okay? The hole, or the hollow, or here, this is the chambers. Okay? So like this. Like this. Okay? Sorry. Let's go back. Here. Okay? We have 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the LA, the LV, the RA, and the RV. Okay. I will talk about later what are those. Okay? Again, how many chambers our heart have? 4. Okay? Our heart have 4 chambers. Okay? Do not forget. Again, what is the word? What is the word again? The word is? Okay, very good. That is chambers. Next, we have, that is? Very good. Contract. Okay? This is like normal heart, relax. When your heart contract, this is how it goes. Like this. Okay? Or for example, this one. If your heart will contract, it goes like this. Okay? From this to this. Okay? So it contract like that. Okay? So that is contract. Contracted. Okay? When the heart muscle tightens or squeeze. Tight or squeeze. Okay? That is contract. Everybody? What is the word? Okay. Very good. That is contract. Okay? What is your first word again? Do you still remember? Oxygenated. The second word, deoxygenated. The third word, chambers. Very good. And the fourth word, contract. Okay? Next, we have, what is this? Okay, blood pressure. Okay? We have high and we have low blood pressure. Okay? So when your blood vessel or your veins, artery here, okay, tight or contract, okay, or like this is your vein. If it goes like this, it's high pressure, okay, because the blood cannot pass, okay, or it's very hard for the blood to pass, so it means it's high pressure, okay. So that is blood pressure. We're gonna talk about it later, okay. So that is your last word, last words, okay, for your vocab, blood pressure. Next, let's do have discussion, okay? Let's do discussion. So here, everybody, can we read? Okay, repeat after me, okay? Repeat after me. Blood circulatory system. Okay, the blood circulatory system is responsible for circulating blood throughout the body. Okay, can you read without me? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, very simple, right? Blood circulatory system is just your blood, okay, going up to your brain, or your blood going down to your toe, okay, or in your feet, okay, or the blood from your toe going back to your heart, to your lungs, okay, and from the blood that's from your head going back to your heart and to the lungs, okay. So that is circulatory system. So here we have anatomy of heart. Let's have anatomy of heart. So let's focus here, okay? Wait. Let's focus here first. Okay. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. The blue color here, this is what we call blood vessels, okay? Blue, red, this is blood vessels. Everybody, what is this? Vessels, okay? It's like a road, okay? Like a cars. The cars are moving to the road, right? It's like the road of, or the pathway of blood, okay? So the road here. The blue is what we call superior vena cava. Everybody, what is the blue color? Okay, very good. Again, that is superior vena cava. How about the red? Aorta, okay? The biggest blood vessel we have, aorta, okay? Here, the color red. And we have here a small blue color blood vessel that is pulmonary artery. Again, everybody, pulmonary artery. Okay, and here we have small red vessel or blood vessel that is pulmonary vein. Okay, pulmonary vein. Okay? Do you remember? Again, what is the blue? The blue is? Okay, superior vena cava. How about the red? Aorta. How about the small blue blood vessel? Pulmonary artery. How about the small red vessel? Pulmonary vein, okay? Just remember. Okay? That is your blood vessels in the heart, okay? The blood vessels in the heart. Let's go to your heart, Okay, again, how many chambers do we have in the heart? How many chambers? 4. Remember? The first chamber here, we have the right and the left atrium here. Okay? The first 2 chamber in the top is your right and your left atrium. Okay? Remember? Okay? And the bottom? Okay? In the bottom part, we have right and left ventricle. Okay? Did you get it? Okay. So that is your parts of the heart. Okay? You have here in the bottom, that is right and left ventricle. Did you get it? Okay, okay. Let me just ask you, okay? Before we proceed, I will ask you. Okay, here, let me use this one to point, okay? Wait a minute, okay? Here. So you cannot see it, okay? So here. So what is this blue color or the gray color? What do you call this one? The big blue blood vessel. This is? What's your answer?
Superior vena cava.
Okay, very good. This is superior vena cava. Okay, very good. Clap our hands. How about this one? The small blue blood vessel. The small. We have?
Pulmonary artery.
Okay, very good. This is pulmonary artery. Okay, very good. I cannot clap my hands, okay? Here, this big red blood vessel. What do you call this one? Big red blood vessel. Do you have an answer? What's your answer? Who wants to answer? You're finished, okay? What's your answer? Do you have an answer? Answer is? Okay, very good. That is aorta. Okay, very good. How about here? We have small red blood vessel. What do you call this one? The small red blood vessel. What's your answer? I heard something. What's your answer here? I heard something here. What's your answer? No? Okay. Anything? Your answer is? Okay, very good. This is pulmonary vein. Okay, let's clap our hands to everyone. Okay. So, this is your heart. Okay, these are your blood vessels. So those are your blood vessels, okay? We have 4 chambers. The first chamber here is what we call, it's in your right. So right atrium, okay? Here is your left atrium. Going down is your right, what right? Okay, very good. Right ventricle. How about going down in your left? Okay, very good. That is your left ventricle, okay? Okay, this is how blood flow in the heart, okay? Just look at me. Here. You know oxygenated, right? Okay, oxygenated blood enter pulmonary vein. Okay? Enter, going in. Okay? And enters left atrium. Okay? Oxygenated, okay? And from left atrium, pump to the left ventricle. Okay? Pump down to the left ventricle and pump out to the aorta. Okay? And going to the rest of the body. Your blood will now go to the rest of the body, like here. Okay? In the aorta. Okay? Now, the blood, low oxygen, deoxygenated blood, okay, enter, what is this? Okay, very good. This is superior vena cava, okay? As you can see on the arrow, the blue, deoxygenated blood enters superior vena cava, okay? Enters right atrium, pump down to right ventricle, and pump out to the pulmonary artery. Okay? So let's see on the picture, if you cannot. Okay? Here. So we have here. Okay? Sorry, where is it? Okay. Here. There's Shopee. Okay. Again, oxygenated blood, here, the arrow, enter pulmonary vein. Oxygenated. Blood with oxygen. Okay? And it enters, what is this? Left atrium. Okay? Left atrium, pump to the left ventricle. Okay? And pump out to the aorta here. Okay? In this hole, going out to the aorta. Okay? And we have deoxygenated blood. Okay, wait. Deoxygenated blood enters superior vena cava. Okay? Enters superior vena cava and enters in the right atrium. Pump, okay? It pumps to the right ventricle and pump out to the pulmonary artery. Okay? Did you get it? Are you sure? Okay. So let me ask you, where is oxygenated blood enter? Where is oxygenated blood enter? We have pulmonary vein. Very good. Okay? Where it enters? In what chamber? In what chamber? Oxygenated blood first enter. We have? Okay, very good. That's left atrium. Okay? And from left atrium, pump to what chamber? Left atrium, the blood will pump to what chamber? Left. Going down, what is that chamber? Left. Left. Ventricle. Okay, very good. Ventricle. From left ventricle, pump out to the heart, pump out to, that is? No, pump out, going out. Okay, the answer is aorta, okay? So here, get inside, okay, pulmonary vein, enter here, and you have the first chamber, the left atrium. We have the left ventricle and going out to aorta, okay? Now, deoxygenated blood. Where do oxygenated blood enter? Where is the oxygenated blood enter? Where? It is in? What is this blue? The big blue? Superior? No, here it's in superior vena cava, okay? Deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood enters superior vena cava, okay? And going down to right What is right? Right atrium. Very good. Pump down to right ventricle. Okay, and pump out. What is this? Pulmonary artery. Okay, that is how blood pump into the heart. Okay, that is how blood circulate, moving into the heart. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, because oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, it will not mix. Okay, it could not be mixed. So that's why we have 4 chamber. Okay, so it will not be mixed. Okay, so supposedly that will be mixed. Okay, so not mixed. So next, wait. So here, again, our heart will pump blood. Okay, pump blood. Next. Oh, just wait. Okay. Our blood also generate blood pressure. Okay, by pumping. Okay. We have also, oh, just wait. It's very, okay. Okay, again, we have the blood in our heart. Okay, it's just moving, circulating. Okay, it will not stop. It will move. Okay, the blood in our heart is just move. Okay, so we have what we call, just wait. Oh, I don't know what happened. Okay, so again, here is our heart again. Okay, so just remember that the blood will always move. Okay, move from every part. Okay, so again, oxygenated blood enter pulmonary vein, going to the left atrium, pump down to the left ventricle. Okay, and pump out to the aorta. Okay, and we have deoxygenated blood enters superior vena cava, or we have inferior vena cava, but just focus on superior vena cava. Okay, deoxygenated blood enters superior vena cava, going to the right atrium, pump to the right ventricle, pump out, going out to pulmonary artery. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we have blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels. We have three blood vessels. The first is, what is this? Artery. The artery is the color red. Okay, it is in the body. Okay, the color red. Just remember, artery color red means oxygenated blood. Okay, so it is the way of oxygenated blood. The way. Okay, the way of oxygenated blood. Again, color red. Okay, next, vein. The second is vein. What color of the vein? Blue. Blue color means what blood? Blue is what blood? Deoxygenated blood. Very good. Okay, so that is the blue color. And we have, everybody, can you read this one? This is capillaries. Very good. Capillaries. The third, the last, okay? We have capillaries. Okay, I forgot. Capillaries is, oh, it's down. I'm sorry. Okay. Shut down. It got shut down. Yeah. Okay. So, let's just have the worksheet. Okay. We have 15 minutes. Okay? 15 minutes to do the work. Again, remember. Okay, just remember that the function of the heart is very important, okay, for the blood circulation. Circulation is when the blood move in your body, okay? So here, let us, okay, there's no PowerPoint, okay? Let us remember, just remember, okay? Okay, the blood from the lungs with oxygen, okay? So the blood from the lungs, okay, is with oxygen. We call it oxygenated blood, okay? The blood from the lungs enter to pulmonary, what is this? Pulmonary vein, okay? Right? Pulmonary vein. Okay. The pulmonary vein. The blood from the lungs. Start from the lungs, okay? Okay. Where it enter? Enter to what chamber? Oxygenated blood. Enter to what chamber? That is the right atrium. Very good. The right atrium. Pump. Okay, because our heart pump. Okay? Pump to what chamber? Right ventricle. Very good. And right ventricle pump out to, what is this big red? Aorta. Okay, very good. This is aorta. Okay? Now, deoxygenated blood is blood from your body. Okay? So, deoxygenated blood enter. What is this? Superior vena cava. Okay? Now, superior vena cava will enter what chamber? Yeah. Earlier, it's supposed to be in left, okay? Again, let's do it again, okay? Oxygenated blood enter pulmonary vein and enters what chamber? Left atrium, okay? Oxygenated, always on left, okay? Oxygenated enters left atrium, going down to left ventricle, going out to aorta, okay? And go to the rest of the body. Like from here, aorta, it goes to the rest of the body, going to the head, going to your toe or in your feet, okay? Every part of the body. Now, blood will go back home, okay? Go back home. Now, it enter, deoxygenated blood enter superior vena cava or inferior vena cava, okay? Or superior vena cava. Now enters what chamber? Right atrium, pump to right ventricle and pump out pulmonary artery. Very good. Now this pulmonary artery go back to the lungs. Okay? Going home to the lungs. Okay? It go home to the lungs. Okay? The blood. To get oxygen again. The blood will go back to the lungs to get oxygen again. Okay? And enter again to pulmonary vein, left atrium, pump to left ventricle, going out to aorta again. Okay? And the blood enter again, superior vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, and out to the pulmonary artery, back to the lungs again. Okay? Just the same cycle. Okay? Back, go there, going back. Okay? Just like going school, going home. Okay? Sometimes go there, going out. Okay? So, again, that is how blood works. Okay? Go circle, circle. Okay? So, that is your worksheet. Oh, we have worksheet like this. Okay? No, you have choices. You have choices here, okay? Choose in the box, okay? Same here, fill in the blank, choose in the box. Okay? No need to search. Choose. Just choose. The answer is in the box. Okay? The answer is in the box. Answer here, okay? The answer is here. Okay. So we lost it. Sorry. Okay, like this. This is the blood circulation, okay? So we have, this is the lungs. Again, the lungs. Okay. The blood will go to your heart, go to the body. Okay? And we have blood from the body, deoxygenated blood, the blue, going back to the heart and going back to the lungs. Okay? So that is how your blood works. Okay? Oh, I don't know what happened. Here. Okay? Okay. Okay, you have 5 minutes. Finish 5 minutes. Yeah. Just choose. Answer. The answer is here. Answer. Okay. Yeah. Again. Okay. Again? Okay. Finish? Okay, let's answer. Number 2, work number 2, okay? So let's read. Everybody, let us read. Okay? This one. Blood circulation in the heart involves movement of blood, okay? Move of blood from the heart through a series of chambers and vessels, okay? We have 4 chambers and 3 blood vessels. Artery, vein, capillaries, okay? Oxygenated blood from the lungs enters what vein? Number 9. What is the answer for number 9? What vein? What is this vein? Pulmonary vein. Okay? Pulmonary vein. Oxygenated blood. Okay, faster. We have 1 minute. Okay. Number 10. What is the answer for number 10? We have left. We have left atrium. Left atrium because oxygenated blood enters left atrium. And pump, where it pump? Left ventricle. And going out to? Okay, you answer. Okay, number 11, left ventricle. 12? Oh, we don't have 12. 13, that is? What is 13? Aorta, very good. 14. Right atrium. No. 14 is entering pulmonary. No. 13 is superior vena cava, right? Superior vena cava, 13. We have 14, that is right atrium. 13, that is right, 14, right atrium. 15, right ventricle. Number 16, pulmonary artery. Okay? So that is how you answer. That is how blood works in the heart. Okay? Okay, that's all for today. See you again next week. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.